Hello and welcome to your Lithuanian friend channel. Today we will learn numbers in Lithuanian from 1 to 10. Please pay attention to different versions of some of these numbers as they have different endings based on whether it's used with masculine or feminine nouns. And if you have any questions about the use of it, let me know in the comments and I will make an explanation video. Vienas, vienas, viena, viena, du, du, dvi, dvi, trys, trys, keturi, keturi, keturios, keturios, penki, penki, penkios, penkios, šeši, šeši, šešios, šešios, septyni, septyni, septynios, septynios, aštuoni, aštuoni, aštuonios, aštuonios, devyni, devyni, devynios, devynios, dešimt, dešimt,